Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Margine Olivar, 37 years old, a high school graduate, and a single mom when I have two daughters, ages 17 and 14 years old. I am a hardworking woman and willing to work your house. My work experience is 9 years in Kuwait, one employer. When I first time in Kuwait, I'm taking care of three kids, one newborn, the two kids is 2 years old and the other is 4 years old. When the baby sleep, I wash their clothes and cleaning. When they are big, I started cooking, baking, doing massage my madam sometimes. I doing manicure pedicure of all of them if the baby are busy playing with their sister. Sometimes I busy sometimes I busy playing with them. Sometimes I do also their hair if they have party, like example curly, straight their hair. And sometimes I also clean two houses, their grandma's house and the other is my madam daughter's house. I try my best to work in your house, madam and sir. I hope you will accept me to work your house. I really want to have a work because I'm a single mom and I have two daughters. They need to support their school and their food. Thank you for listening, mom and sir.